Stacey already clarified that. Get out of here. Don't hit that. Hey, Stacey, videotape this. Fight. Let's go. You want to go? No, it's just a free guy.
That is the sissiest fight I've ever seen. Hey, Pocahontas, move out of the movie.
Yeah, Pocahontas, move.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna dodge with it.
No, it was not a double up. We didn't count Benzo.